The field of artificial intelligence came into existence with the birth of computers in and around the 1940s and 1950s. For the earlier period of its development, attention was focused on getting computers to do things that, if a human did them, would be regarded as intelligent. Essentially, this involved trying to get computers to copy humans in some or all aspects of their behavior. So, in the 1960s and 1970s, this opened up a philosophical discussion as to just how close to a human brain a computer could be, and whether any differences that arose were really important. In the 1980s and 1990s, there was a whole new approach that was discovered, which completely opened up new possibilities and created a whole new set of questions. No longer was AI restricted to merely copying human intelligence. Now it could be intelligent in itself. In some cases, it could still be brought about by mimicking the way a human brain performed, but now it had the potential to be bigger, faster, and better. The philosophical consequence of this was that now an artificial brain could potentially outperform a human brain. How artificial intelligence works nowadays, the field has taken off. Real-world applications of AI, particularly in the finance, manufacturing, and military sectors, are performing in ways with which the human brain simply cannot compete. Artificial brains are now being given their own body, with which to perceive the world in their way and to move around in it and modify it as they see fit. They are being given the ability to learn, adapt, and carry out their wishes concerning humans. AI would have a low error rate compared to humans if coded properly. They would have incredible precision, accuracy, and speed. They won't be affected by hostile environments, thus able to complete dangerous tasks, explore in space, and endure problems that would injure or kill us. This can even mean mining and digging fuels that would otherwise be hostile to humans. They can think logically without emotions, making rational decisions with less or no mistakes. This can be for medical purposes, such as health risks and emotional state. Can simulate medical procedures and give info on side effects. They don't need to sleep, rest, take breaks, or get entertained, as they don't get bored or tired. However, they can cost a lot of money and time to build, rebuild, and repair. A robotic repair can occur to reduce time and humans need to fix it, but that'll cost more money and resources. Let's look at why artificial intelligence is the future of growth. It's questionable. Is it ethically and morally correct to have androids, human-like robots, or recreate intelligence, a gift of nature that shouldn't be recreated? This is a discussion about AI that's popular in the days. The advantages of artificial intelligence would be achieving what is too difficult for human beings and doing tedious things in place of human beings. However, the disadvantage of AI would be the possibility of making human beings rather idle. Artificial intelligence is on the verge of penetrating every major industry from healthcare to advertising, transportation, finance, legal, education, and now inside the workplace. Many of us may have already interacted with a chatbot that is defined as an automated, yet personalized, conversation between software and human users. Whether it's on Facebook Messenger to book a hotel room or ordering flowers. Than 100,000 chatbots on the Facebook Messenger platform, up from 33,000 in 2016. As we increase the usage of chatbots in our personal lives, we will expect to use them in the workplace to assist us with things like finding new jobs, answering frequently asked HR-related questions, or even receiving coaching and mentoring. One major question that people ask concerning AI is, will artificial intelligence replace humans? Let's look at this in the business world. Chatbots digitize HR processes and enable employees to access HR solutions from anywhere. Using artificial intelligence in HR will create a more seamless employee experience, one that is nimbler and more user-driven. Artificial intelligence will transform the employee experience. The intersection of artificial intelligence and human resources. HR leaders are beginning to pilot AI to deliver greater value to the organization by using chatbots for recruiting, employee service, employee development, and coaching. A recent survey of 350 HR leaders finds 92% of HR leaders agree that the future of providing an enhanced level of employee service will include chatbots. In fact, You can think of a chatbot as your newest HR team member, one that allows employees to easily retrieve answers to frequently asked questions. According to the ServiceNow survey, more than two-thirds of HR leaders believe employees are comfortable accessing chatbots to get the information they need, at the time they need it. The type of questions HR leaders believe employees are comfortable using a chatbot for range from the mundane and factual ones, such as how much paid time off do I have left, to the more personal ones, such as how do I report a sexual misconduct experience. As we become comfortable with chatbots in our everyday lives, we will expect to use them in the workplace. AI will become increasingly prevalent in business in the coming years. As it does, the technology will improve and the costs related to it will come down. The way we imagine that AI will take control of humans will never happen. Nearly every telecom uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve its customer service primarily by using virtual assistants and chatbots. There are pros and cons to every new technology that comes along. But we can see AI doing more good than harm. That's it for now, guys. Let us know in the comment section below if you like this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing topics. And turn on the notification bell, so you will be the first to know when we drop another video, and thanks for watching.